Stay home family.
Okay, wait, take nice photos. Take your phone, photo.
Are we going to sing one more sentence?
Okay, one more time. Happy birthday to
How many times do
you.
No, we have to do the Chinese way. As long as one.
Do know they're looking at you guys, right?
You.
47 years old.
Today, happy birthday to Miss Vic. Happy birthday to Aku dah start record lah. Cepat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Miss Vic. Happy birthday to you.
You have to do it again.
Ah, no. Faster.
Okay, hi, mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. I'm 47 years old. Yay! It's something to celebrate about because sadly, not everybody would be able to get the opportunity to turn 47. That's life. And yeah, I'm happy. I'm shouting out to the whole world that Maria Victoria Junicio Galang is 47 years old. I know I don't act like one, but yes, I'm 47. I just turned 47 last week, and this is actually my first video. I didn't even try filming a video last week. Yeah, that's why last week there's no videos, but I promise you, even my new intro, do you like my new intro? Okay, because 47 year new me, I'm excited to turn 50, but keep quiet. My kiddos, if you saw in the intro, my kiddos, they gave me a gift. So let's open this and do an unboxing. I'm going to unbox it with you guys. So if you want to know, as excited as I am, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. Okay, let's be real. I did peek. I did try to open it up in front of them when we were in class, but they stopped me. And then I realized because one of the girls actually watches my YouTube videos, and it's Maria Nur Akila. And she did commented to me personally. That's how my kids are. They said like, why do you always do like beauty videos? And I guess because I do like makeup, I do like skincare, I do like to let the world know that you can be your own beautiful, be confident on who you are, and teach you guys, like, I don't know. Anyway, so I asked her, since you have this like comment, so what type of videos do you actually want me to film? And she didn't say anything. So Maria Nur Akila, can you please let me know? Do I turn this to a reaction channel? To a what? Can you just let me know? Let me know. Stop rambling, Maria Victoria. So let's open this up. I was saying this now. I did try to open this up and they stopped me. I did see some things. So, ching. I love these kids. They love me so much. I guess they love me so much. So inside are actually items with post-it notes, which I like. If you're going to ask me what birthday gift I would actually want, I would just say like, okay, write me a 1-page letter, a 2-page letter, or whatever, because I like reading. I also like writing because I feel that letters are quite a personalized thing, and I can actually keep it. I do keep all my letters from my students, from my late mom, from my late dad, from my husband. If you want me to read out his love letters, let me know at the comment section below. And I would read it out to you guys. Maybe during our anniversary, I guess, which is coming in June. I'll try to ask him whether he's okay with it, but yeah. So, first is they gave me a Skittles. And the note that comes with the Skittles is Skittles for making lessons colorful. Guys, girls and boys, your idea is actually good. And if any one of you are watching and you're a teacher or you have a favorite teacher, you can do this. Just give them like random notes. The Himalaya milk candy. And helping me reach the Senate. I'm going to keep all these post-it notes. As in really, I'm going to keep it. And what teacher doesn't need a pen? I love pens. I usually buy a lot of this and I have a lot of this. And the note says, "'Cause you are right." I'm always right. I'm always right. That's why I always tell my kids, I'm always right. Because when you reach a certain age, you feel like you have the right to tell everybody like, "Excuse me, been there, done that." Or I've been there, I've never done that. My favorite expression is like, "Miss Victoria was not born yesterday." So yeah, I think my kids usually hear me say that. So yes. And you can see that this box is actually a very thought out like box, and I love it. They gave me a yellow label Lipton tea. I do love drinking tea. So tea to help you relax at the end of the day with a nice cup of tea. I guess they're saying like, "Miss Vic, stop drinking coffee," but I love coffee. Coffee and tea. If you make me choose, I would choose coffee because I can drink like 5 cups of coffee in a day. But I guess my kids, the kiddos, they want me to be healthy, so they gave me tea. They're such a thoughtful bunch. I actually love them to the moon and back. Correction tape, which I need, and it even has a Hello Kitty correction tape. Oh my goodness! I'm going to put a sticker on this with my name so that nobody will use it. Correction tape, because you correct me when I'm wrong. Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess being a teacher, why do I keep on telling that I'm a teacher? I used to hide that I'm a teacher. Okay, but because you reach a certain age, especially if you work with young people, you just have to let them know when they're wrong. And then after that, you let them decide for themselves whether they want to follow you or not. Again, it's their choice. Wet wipes. With the coronavirus, this will actually come in handy. Wet wipes. Cause sometimes I accidentally mess up things. Okay, my dear lovely students who I treasure, who makes my life so happy, challenging, exciting. You're still young and you're bound to make mistakes. And when you do mess things up, I only hope that at the end of the day, you do get to learn something from it and that you're going to learn from that mistake and it will make you a better person. So don't be scared of making mistakes. It's fine. It's part of life. Even me at this age, oh my goodness, I still make mistakes. But I'm fine. It's okay. Don't worry. I would still love you still the same. Oh my goodness. So they gave me a paper fastener. For helping you hold your things together. That's what, yeah. I need my life to be put together. Even though at 47 years old, hello, I'm still a mess. I'm still like discovering things about myself, not only about myself, about what do I actually want, what other plans that I would like to do. And yeah, just turning old doesn't mean that you, okay, stop it. time for you to create new goals, new goals, and be excited for life. My life is a mess. Okay, girls and boys, you guys actually keep on scolding me when you see me eating chocolates because you guys know that I'm not supposed to eat something sweet because I have to look out for my sugar. And yet, in this thoughtful box, they gave me Kit Kat. And in the note, it says, even heroes need a break. Oh my goodness. That's the most thoughtful thing. Am I a hero? I don't consider myself a hero. Maybe Wonder Woman. Anyways, yeah. It's a good reminder to let me know that, okay, Miss Vic, right after everything that you have done, it's been a busy day, a busy week. Okay, kiddos, I promise you I will not eat all the sweet things that you have given me in one sitting. I promise you I will just eat it slowly. Unless I'm really having a bad day, can I actually eat it? Oh my goodness, I think it's one of the best gifts that I actually received for my birthday. Aside from my friends bringing me out, my family, and we're eating outside, the gifts that they gave me is actually so thoughtful. But kids, you've outdone yourself. I love this. I love what you have done. So again, to my students, to my kiddos, to my adopted daughters, adopted sons, thank you so much for this very thoughtful gift. I can't even express how grateful I am for what you have done, for preparing the Wonder Woman cake, for singing me happy birthday during lessons, and actually giving me a very thoughtful gift that is obviously been well thought of. I'm touched. I'm really touched. I mean, I love you all. So thank you for giving me content, giving me something to record and actually show it to you guys. So I would hug you when I see you and say thank you. I think I've said thank you so many times. And yeah, so for the rest of you, what is the best gift that you actually ever received on your birthday, or what type of gifts you actually want to receive on your birthday? Me personally, I like this type of gifts. Even a simple note in a post-it, it actually means so much because it just says that you actually spent time to sit down and write something about that person. So if you like this type of videos, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see other not crazy adventures of a 47-year-old Lola, which is grandma, please consider subscribing to my channel. Why am I so hyper? And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos at least once a week. So, till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet.